Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mahi the Avenger. Today I came with another interesting property video. Project name Devi Homes, location Bachupalli. Friends, please subscribe my channel if not subscribed till now. Fully gated community with 200 apartments. In these apartments we have east, west and north facing flats for sale. Only few flats left. The project name Devi Homes, location Bachupalli, very much close to Miapur to Bachupalli crossroads. In this project we have 2 BHK and 3 BHK ready to move flats for sale. 2 BHK flats size starts from 819 SFT to 1152 SFT. 3 BHK flat size starts from 1285 to 1605 SFT. What you are seeing is clubhouse. It's a G+3 construction with built up area of 6500 SFT. It consists of AC gymnasium, reception, saloon, creche, provision for store, provision for multi-purpose hall. What you are seeing is sit out area for all the community. Just beside you can see the kids play area. Devi Homes is a fully gated community with all the major amenities which is required for a community. What we are going to see in this video, west face, 3 BHK. The size of the flat is 1605 SFT. Let's see the flat. It's a 3 BHK west face. The flat size is 1605 SFT. This is the spacious living room. False ceiling done. In this apartment we have 210 units with the clubhouse. Clubhouse included AC gymnasium, children's play area, all the amenities which is required. Now we are entering into the sit out area. This is the sit out area. Very spacious. From here you can see the view. Bachupalli crossroads. Here's the main road which connects to Miapur. From sit-out area to we are entering into dining area. This is dining area. There you can see the provision for sink. Next we are entering into the master bedroom. Very spacious. Master bedroom. You can see the surroundings. What we are seeing is Miapur to Bachupalli main road. Here you can see Mamata Medical College and just beside there is a Kennedy High School is there. Very well developed area. This is the washroom. Kitchen. Open kitchen. There you can see it's the kitchen. Only few flats left. Most of the flats are sold out. It's ready to move flats. Here is the utility area. and you can call it as a washing area also. Kids bedroom. It's a common washroom. And a guest bedroom. This is the washroom. Here's the washroom. Project name Devi Homes. It's a fully gated community. East and west 2 BHK and 3 BHK are available. You can see another road here. This is the main road connected with project, and this particular area for international school. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. The price quoted by the builder per SFT is 4,300. Thank you.